Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up your drum. The most important thing is to think about the height of the drum. Now this really depends on the player. I've studied with several different teachers, and one of the teachers was an excellent, but amazing drummer and percussionist, Michael Skinner, who taught me to set up a drum much higher than what other people would do. Advantage of this setup is that you can use both match grip and you can switch to the traditional. Really easily. But if you're a beginner, I would suggest that maybe you should try out slightly lower. So I would put it down slightly. Now, another question is the angle of your drum. So as you can see, at the moment, my drum is flat, okay? There are various ways to set it up. First of all, you can tilt it towards you. The drum is facing that way. It's kind of like the angle of the drum is facing this way. This is probably the most standard way to set up snare drum, I would say. Many people do this setup, including Vinnie Colaiuta, Steve Gatt, and so on, and classical players, of course. But my teacher, Michael Skinner, also taught me something opposite to this. This is higher and this is lower. Again, the advantage is that you can play match grip or traditional grip really effectively, okay? Now, another way is left side higher and the right side lower. This is most effective if you play with traditional grip. Because normally with a traditional grip, your bouncing movement is higher, okay? But I would suggest perhaps you can set it up absolutely flat or slightly towards you, okay, but not too much, okay? Try to find the best position that works for you.